Hello travelers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Vishal Datta, founder and owner of Summit Safari Tour and Travel Company based in the beautiful hill station of Shimla in India. In this second episode of our Spiti Valley travel guide, itinerary and places to visit, we start our journey from Kalpa, travel to Nako, and further we explore the beautiful Pin Valley and Spiti Valley. Please make sure to like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel for further informative travel videos. So join me on this incredible journey, a road trip through Spiti Valley. In our first episode, we start our Spiti Valley tour from Chandigarh to Shimla on day 1. On day 2, we continued our tour from Shimla via Narkanda to Sarahan. Day 3 of our Spiti Valley trip, we drive from Sarahan to Sangla and took a walking tour of the Kamru village. Day 4, we explored the stunning villages of Rakcham, Chitkul, the last Indian village, and drive to Kalpa, where we stayed overnight admiring the views of the Mount Kinnar Kailash. Day 5 of our Spiti Valley tour, today we embark on a scenic drive from Kalpa to Nako, covering 100 kilometers in 4 hours. Along the way at Tabo Village, we make a special stop to meet the skilled local weavers crafting Kinori traditional shawls and pajamas with soft sheep wool, adorned with extremely beautiful and pleasing patterns.
अच्छा, कैसे बनाते हैं?
हाथ से बनाते हैं।
बनाइए जरा देखें हम।
Price of any shawl, scarf or pajama depends upon the quality of the wool, the number and the width of the pattern used in it and the labor involved.
कितना टाइम लगता है बनाने में?
ये महीना लग जाता है जी।
एक पजामा बनाने?
एक पजामा।
अच्छा।
मतलब जेंट्स पजामा नहीं होता जी, शादी में
हाँ।
शादी में जो लगता है ये है।
अच्छा अच्छा।
One such handloom piece can take anywhere from 1 to 6 months to be completed. Our next stop is at Khap, where the mighty Satluj meets Spiti River and flows together further as Satluj River. From Khab, we start our drive climbing uphill to Nako, and the landscapes today transforms from green to brown and from brown to deserted. In these rugged terrains, where motorized vehicles may not be frequently available, donkeys plays a crucial role as a primary mode of transportation for the locals. On day 5, the road conditions from Kalpa to Nako are exceptionally good, with only a few areas prone to potential landslides. Spiti Valley can be visited from Shimla side throughout the year. The best time to visit Spiti Valley is from May end to early October, as this is the only time when the Kunzam Pass connecting Kaza to Manali remains open, allowing travelers to complete their Kinori Spiti circular tour package. Leaving the NH number 5 behind, finally we'll arrive at enchanting Naco Village, known for its traditional houses, warm hospitality, Buddhist monasteries and the famous Nako Lake. Naco Village is a must-visit destination that deserves an overnight stay in the enchanting environment and allowing you to soak up in the unique ambience it offers. Naco Village in the Upper Kinori Valley is also famous for the Buddhist monasteries related to Guru Padmasambhav, a great Buddhist scholar whose teachings spread to Tibet from India. Naco Village is a traditional village with old mud houses and provides a great opportunity for village walks and mountain walks. Tonight, we were invited to join for a memorizing Kinori Wedding, providing us with a captivating glimpse into the region's vibrant cultural history. We witnessed enchanting traditional dances, melodious music, cuisine, and the dazzling display of ornate traditional attire, which truly immersed us in the local traditions and customs. On day 6 of our Spiti Valley road trip, we crossed the Maling Nala and continue our journey from Nako to Tabo, covering a distance of approximately 90 kilometers in 5 hours. Along the way, we have the opportunity to unfold the hidden secrets of the mysterious mummy of Gu. As you drive through the winding roads, the deep blue skies contrast with the arid mountains, creating a striking backdrop that leaves you offering a sense of peace and tranquility that is hard to find elsewhere. Today at Sumdo checkpost, we will be entering the beautiful Spiti Valley, the land between Tibet and Ladakh, which is the best of beach destinations in Indian Himalayas. We have just entered the Spiti Valley at Sumdo now, Sumdo checkpost, where we entered the Spiti Valley, and from here Tibet occupied China border is very close, another 15-17 kilometers. But we are enjoying jalebi, the Indian sweets. Jalebi is provided here by the Border Road Organization. They are running a canteen here. You can buy fresh samosa or jalebi, the Indian sweets, at here as soon as you enter the Spiti Valley. Thank you. The route from Sumdo to Spiti becomes narrow at times, adding a sense of adventure to our journey. Continuing on, our next destination is the Mummy of Gu, just 12 kilometers from Sumdo checkpost in a small traditional village next to the China border. We are traveling on the best route to Spiti Valley, as traveling on the circular route to Spiti Valley starting from Shimla and finishing towards Manali, we gain altitude gradually, and it provides us enough time to acclimatize to the high altitude during our road trip to Spiti Valley. Gu village attracts travelers, artists, explorers and researchers from all over the world, and it holds one of the secret and mysterious mummy in India known by only a few people till now. Mummified body of a Buddhist monk named Sangla Tenzing is 15th century old. The mummy of Gu is in a sitting meditation pose, and very clearly you can see the teeth, hair and the well-preserved skin on the bones of the mummy of Gu in Spiti Valley. To know more details about the mummy of Gu, please watch the related detailed video on the mysterious mummy of Gu. Link is given in the description of this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel for further informative travel videos. I hope you are enjoying watching this video on Spiti Travel Guide, Itinerary and Places to Visit. Spiti has become quite popular in the past few years due to its remote location and holding and preserving the treasures and secrets of ancient civilizations untamed by modernity, unmatched outside these mountains. Our final destination for the overnight stay on day 6 of the Spiti Valley tour is at Tabo Village, also known as the Ajanta of Himalayas. Tabo Village provides good walking opportunities through the barley fields, and one can hike up to the nearby mountains to visit Tabo caves, which were used centuries ago by the Buddhist monks for meditation and learnings. In Tabo, you can buy Tibetan handicrafts, hand knitted woolen socks and caps as souvenirs. The highlight of the tour is visiting the Tabo Monastery, which is the oldest Buddhist monastery in the world, founded in 996 AD. Tabo Monastery opening timing for visitors is from 9 am to 1 pm, 2 pm to 5 pm. However, please note that the monastery closes from 1 pm to 2 pm for a lunch break. Photography and videography is not allowed inside the Tabo Monastery, and you have to leave your mobile phones and your cameras outside the monastery. Tabo Monastery is famous for its art and history and is the oldest continuously functioning Buddhist monument in the world. It is noted for its original decorations, iconographic and wall paintings. 9 chapels and the 32 life-size clay sculptures in the main assembly hall is the major highlights to experience. Fortunate enough, we had the incredible opportunity to engage with the locals and to witness the cultural festival at Tabo, showcasing the cultural dance performances from Spiti. We had a great night at Tabo, enjoying a bonfire and humming the local songs by heart. On the 7th day of our Spiti Valley tour from Chandigarh, we embark on a scenic drive from Tabo to Kaza. Along the way, we enjoyed sightseeing at the Naco Village and Monastery, as well as we will drive and visit the Mud Village and the Kungri Monastery in the serene Pin Valley. The entire Spiti Valley is amazing and so beautiful that you can spend hours and hours just sitting, relaxing or walking, watching the mountain landscapes at Spiti. Our next destination for the day is Naco Village and Monastery. Settled in between the rocks on a cliff, the most dramatic settings of Spiti is the village of Naco with its fort on the top and monastery, which provides commanding views of the entire Spiti and Pin River along with the entire valley. For detailed information about Naco Village and Fort, please watch the YouTube video. Link has been provided in the description of this video. Leaving off the main road, we continue our journey to the picturesque Pin Valley. From the Atargu Bridge, Mud, the last village in the Pin Valley, is around 34 kilometers one-way drive. Despite the challenging rough road conditions, the beauty of the Pin Valley is undeniable. There are no hotels to stay inside the Pin Valley, but Sagnam and Mud villages in the Pin Valley provide accommodation in homestays and guest houses run by the local friendly people. Crossing the suspension bridges over the Pin River infused a thrilling sense of adventure into our souls. Pin Valley has been declared as the Pin Valley National Park, which is the home to a variety of rare animals like snow leopard, the ibex, the Himalayan blue sheep and the Himalayan thar, along with many species of Himalayan birds and pheasants. Spin Valley and the Mud Village with stunning landscapes, colorful mountains with natural formations, traditional houses with prayer flags, green fields, Spin River flowing through will not disappoint you, and it is in the list of the top 10 best places to visit in Spiti Valley, where you can spend relaxing time with your loved ones. During our return journey to Kaza, we made a delightful stop at the Kungri Monastery in Spin Valley. Fortunately, we had the privilege of witnessing the memorizing Cham dance performed as the part of the monastery festival at the Kungri Monastery. Further, we continue drive to Kaza, which is the administrative headquarters of Spiti Valley. It has a marketplace, medical facilities, a fuel stations, hotels, guest houses, homestays and cafes. You can also shop local handicrafts and food products in the local market at Kaza. Spiti Valley being an offbeat tourist destination, you will find ample serenity and natural beauty here that is untouched and unexplored. We arrive Kaza by late evening, where we will stay for the next 2 nights and explore some of the world's highest villages. This is where we conclude the second episode of our 3-part series on Spiti Valley Travel Guide, Itinerary and Places to Visit. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel so you don't miss out the third and the final episode coming in the following week, where we will visit the world's highest villages with Chicham Bridge, Kunzam Pass, Chandartal Lake and driving on some of the most adventurous roads to Manali.